I'm waiting for my mother to leave the video. మమ్మీ నువ్వు వీడియో చూస్తున్నావు అంటే ఆపేసే, ఓకేనా? ఇక్కడితో ఆపేసే. ఫస్ట్ థింగ్స్ ఫస్ట్, నువ్వు వదిలేసినాదా అప్పుడు నేను కంటిన్యూ చేస్తాను వీడియోని, ఓకే? నేను వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా, నేను సీరియస్ జోక్ చేయట్లేదు, నేను వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నా. నువ్వు వీడియో వదిలేసినప్పుడు దయచేసి ఒక్కసారి కన్నా కూడా కొంచెం పక్కకి వెళ్తే నేను వీడియో రికార్డ్ చేస్తాను. వెళ్ళిపోయి ఉంటాను ఎక్స్పెక్ట్ చేస్తున్నా. మళ్ళీ చూస్తున్నా అంటే నాకు కాల్ చేసి అడగ ఏమి అది ఇది అని చెప్పి, ఓకేనా? ఓకే, సో ఓకే, ఫర్ ద రెస్ట్ ఆఫ్ యూ పీపుల్, there are still a lot of people who watch my videos, a lot of relatives, and most of the people who watch my videos are relatives only. So at this point I can't sit there and act as if all of them are going to leave suddenly. But okay, still I have to okay, I'll let that slide. Okay, what happened yesterday was, see, simple, plain, flat. What happened was, I went to the gym, I saw a girl, I cold approached her, and I asked her on Instagram, and I asked her for going on a date on Saturday, which is tomorrow. Okay, that's what happened. So, which I didn't think it would go that far. First things first, when I asked her out, not asked her, I mean, when I approached her, I mean, usually when I'll explain completely, okay? First things first, I went to the gym, and I was like, I was expecting, you know, the other two girls I told you, right? I was expecting the second girl before. In the previous video I told you, I thought she was going to come. Now, she didn't come. So I was like, okay, I mean, and there are no other girls too, I thought. So I was like, okay, anyways, I spoke to people, others too. I spoke to a guy who was like 120 kilos, like pure 120 kilos weight, which makes me think he was shorter than me, he was till here, and he was 120 kilos, which makes me think if I could get to 110 easily, if I put on a lot of quality weight over a lot of long time, 5 years or something, if I keep putting on the weight, then maybe I guess I can get to 110. 120, I don't know if I can stay good looking in 120. I mean, I don't know, who knows, okay? Now right now I'm 75, not 75, I'm 74, okay? So I had to get to 85 first. After that you can think about 120. But I spoke to him too, and I spoke to a lot of other people. Not like I speak exclusively to girls. That's the important thing. First things first is, don't exclusively speak to girls, because you come off as a weird person. First, I'm not expecting people who watch my videos to do this, but if you are, don't specifically speak to girls, because see, what happens is you will go, no one in this vicinity knows you. For example, now right now people know me, I have spoken to a lot of people, but usually people don't know you. You go to a place, and you know, girls will feel not feel secure if they think that others don't know you, others in the particular vicinity don't know you. If you in the particular place you are, everyone knows you, and you're fist bumping everyone, you're high-fiving everyone, you're like, hey, hi, how is your workout and everything, she'll be like, okay, so this guy is social. So if in their mind what they think is, if he does something, that means that, I mean, he won't do anything because these people are there, so they will check him out, or they have, in a way, in their primal brains, they'll verify that, okay, this tribe people have validated him, so they're talking to him, so he's not a stranger, he's an ally of this group, which means this group won't hurt me as a whole, right? So at the end he won't hurt me, is what they'll go through. But if you came into the gym, no one knows you, then to all of them, to everyone in the gym, you are some unknown person. They won't know whether you're good or bad, even though they might consciously say you're good, but subconsciously they won't think that way. So the best thing to always do is to just let yourself be known by everyone, okay? Just go to everyone, speak to everyone, so that they'll have a positive impression of you, which will benefit you a lot. Even forget about girls. So as I was saying, so what I did was, I was speaking to a lot of people, and I saw this girl, and she was doing treadmill from behind, and first things first, I didn't see her face. So I was like, okay, let's see if she turns around and her face looks good, then I'll go and talk to her, maybe. I was still waiting for the second girl to come. So she turned around and okay, she looked good. Not okay, she looked good actually. Okay, I didn't expect, because usually what happens is whenever I see girls, I'm like she looks good from far, but I don't see her face. I'm like, oh, maybe she'll look good, but turns out she's not. She doesn't look good. Like most of them, that's the case. But in this case, I was surprised. She looked beautiful. Okay, and the thing is, but I still didn't want to ask her out. I was like, what is the point? I'll wait for this girl. I was like trying to like say, what do you say? Trying to postpone it. So some time passes by and I see her, and I mean she looks really beautiful. Okay, so at some point I'm like, okay, screw that thing. Because this girl is not coming, and my gym workouts are almost about to be over. So I was like, okay, I'll ask her out. And what happened was, after she completed her set, she just like went. We have a sitting room in the gym, okay, where we can sit down and we put up, what do you say, bag and everything. So we can sit down and we have washrooms and everything. So that room is separate. She went and sat there. Now what I did was, usually I write down my sets, okay, whatever I do, if I completed a set, I'll write it down. Like, okay, I did bench this way. And yesterday what happened was, I increased my reps on bench, but only by 1 rep. Which is sad, but still okay. It's good. 1 rep is good. 1 rep, because before that, even for those last few reps, I had to struggle a lot. But so in this case, 1 rep means it's good. 4 reps for England and everything. And the setup also, I'm getting a bit used to it, so that's why that's the thing. But I record my log. I log my workouts all the time. Like, I have a book where I record everything, like all the dates and everything. The workout and how much I did, what is the weight, what are the pin holes. Like if I put the safety bar in this pin, then I'll write down, okay, this pin you're supposed to put the safety bar, and what is the position of the bench to, like, okay, it's supposed to be here. Because so that, see, when I come to the gym, I don't want to like wing it all the time. I just want the set thing. Okay, the bench should be like this should be here, this should be here, put it there, this weight, this many reps, more than that, do it. So that clears my mind up. So that's what I do. I don't write it on every book. I mean, I usually set this thing, like this hole. After a few times, I mean, I get used to it, right? So then I won't need to remember it. So I write it down. Now the book is inside the, what do you say, the changing room. So I was like, what I thought is, okay, I'll go into the changing room. I'll like write. I'll write, not pretend to write. I'll write it down. Then I'll speak to her. Now the thing is, I mean, see, at the end, no one, teeth yellow. Are my teeth? I guess not. My teeth are yellow, man. Okay, anyways, moving on. Okay, forget about that. So the thing is, I mean, you're a bit scared, right? At the end, no matter how much confidence you have, can't just like go and it's only my like 11th cold approach. Like this girl including is my 11th cold approach. It's not like I'm really good at this. So I was like, first I went there, I was writing it down. She was like checking her phone. She didn't even look at me. She was like looking at her phone. And there was another girl beside her. I mean, just normal random girl who was like seeing herself in the mirror. I thought they were both friends. Turns out they're not. So what happened was, I was like, I sat down. Imagine the table is like over here. She was sat there. I was like sat here, and I was pretending to like think about something. Like, okay, what is this? Nothing to think. Just write the reps. That's it. But I was like pretending to think and everything. I just like I was writing down. I like put my head up and saw it over here, so that, I mean, when she looks at me, I can like say hi and everything. And that girl who was like checking herself in the mirror, she like looks at me in a weird way, like, what is this guy doing? Okay, that one thing instilled the fear of fucking God inside me. I stood up, I just went back to the gym, went back to this what do you say, at the gym room, because I was like, I thought, I mean, she was her friend, and what will they think of me? Maybe they'll think I'll and everything. So when I went outside, I was like, fuck, why did you do that? Why did you do that? You should have talked to her. Like, I still wanted to, but I was scared. You know, I don't want to be. See, the one thing is, whenever some person looks at you and judges you, like, what is this creepy guy doing? You don't have the confidence. Any confidence you have will fall down. So mine fell down. So I was like, okay. First I thought, okay, let's leave it aside. But then when that girl who was checking herself in the mirror, she went away. I was like, this other girl didn't go. Well, I thought, okay, in that case, they were not friends, and she was just like looking at me. That's the thing, and I was scared for that. I instantly I did my second set so that I can write it again. So I was like, okay. The one thing I was like, please don't let that girl go. Please don't let that girl go. Sit there. I am coming again. So just like I quickly went and did my rows. I breathed properly and everything, and I completed my rows as quickly as possible. All that I did to failure. After I did, I was like, okay, please be there. And I was like, I went there, and she was still there. But still at the end, I mean, she was still like checking her phone. She didn't like look at me or anything. I sat down. I mean, I took my book and I was like, I was calculating because there are guys beside me too. It would be kind of weird if I went and I mean, there's a guy right here, and if I go and speak to a girl who is there, it's a bit weird. I thought. So I was waiting for those guys to go. No, they were not going. I was stood there. She was like checking her phone. At some point, she look at me, right? Like, who is this guy who's standing? So I was like, fuck it. I put that book. I sat down like, how the chairs are, right? You have like, if a table is here, you cut it off and there's another table there. So you could like sit here. I put my legs there and I faced her and I was like, hey, what's your name? And I spoke to her. And she was like, she said, Prachija. Yeah, so I was like, yeah, how long have you been working on and everything? And turns out, I mean, she actually spoke really well, even though she didn't look at me throughout the entirety of this workout. She spoke really well. And I was like, yeah, what do you do? And like, why did you join the gym and everything? She's like, yeah, I want to get fit and everything. I want a toned, muscular body and everything. And what do you say? And what happened next? I can't remember because this is one thing that happened now. So after that, I was like, okay, like, and I'm also like doing it. So what do you do for this thing? Like, how long did you join? She was like 2 weeks. So what I've been doing these 2 weeks is like, I did this thing, I did that, I did all these things. I'm so tired of this thing and everything. She like, it's like she was like proper like speaking to some random. I just cold approached her. And she was like, yeah, I just did that, I did this. And my trainer, he's telling me to do all these things. I didn't like them and everything. I was like, okay. And then I was like, yeah, why do you have a trainer? Then she was like, yeah, I don't want a trainer, but he's a 1 month free trainer. So I was like, I will try it out. And the trainer's prices also a lot and everything. So I was like, you're gonna pay that? And she was like, no, I don't want to, but what can I do and everything. So I was like, come here. I was like, I'll tell you a secret. And I was like, I didn't even pay for this membership. So she's like, really? You didn't pay for this thing? How did you come to the gym? I was like, I explained everything, the Visakhapatnam process. She's like, oh, that's so smart, right? I mean, I should have known that thing and everything. And I'll tell these people, I'll tell the members of this thing and everything. We actually spoke really good. I mean, a little too good. And another thing is, turns out, I mean, she kept speaking. We spoke for like, I think, half an hour. Complete half an hour, she just keeps speaking. She spoke to me too, and he kept speaking, and I asked for an Instagram. She gave me an Insta. At one point, I was like, okay. I mean, she was speaking really like. At one point, I decided like, okay. Before I just wanted an Insta, but after speaking for such a long time, she was like, we were even flirting at one point. I just spoke to her, and she was already flirting with me. We were both flirting, like we were just like this close to the camera. I mean, imagine you're her and I'm here. We're like this close. So I was like, hey, are you free this Saturday? Then she was like, yeah, after this time I'll be free and everything. So I was like, yeah, sure, let's go on a date then. I'll take you out somewhere. And she was like, yeah, sure, I have your Insta right and everything. And then I just went. I mean, okay, let's see what will happen. She was already flirting with me there. So maybe things can go better. Or maybe it can go worse. I don't know. I mean, I texted her and she was like, where are we going? And like, it's a secret and everything. Let's see what will happen. Okay, let's see what will happen. Whether this will happen or not, who knows. And the one thing I'm disappointed today is that's about this story. Okay, tomorrow I have to see like whether it's going to happen or not. Tomorrow 6 o'clock I have to go. And another thing is, today that thing's over, that part is over. Now the part is about work. The thing is, today I actually written down my habit tracker, okay, where I track my habits and everything so that I can tick it all off on. And the one thing is, I didn't do my eat the frog habit, which is that you do the hardest task first. No, I did it, but I couldn't complete it completely because I left a lot of it on the table. So now what happened was, I mean, I didn't like that. And the one thing was, see, the reason is, usually most of the times I've seen that whenever I have a ambition to do something, it's when I plan for something. If I have a goal, if I have a big goal, that's when I have to get the ambition to do something. Like, yeah, I want to do this thing. Whenever I wake up, I'm like, okay, I have to do this thing today. But since I'm doing this like only contest things, I'm solving the contest, absolving it. After absolving it, it's like there's no other thing to do, right? There's nothing else left to do. And contest also depends on like whether you can do it or not. And this Kaggle thing like completely like, just like blew apart. Kaggle like completely like left it almost. And YouTube, I'm doing the YouTube thing. I mean, I can't do anything more than this. I mean, a Spark speaking to a camera where people can look at me and think I'm crazy. So I can't do any more than this. So at this point, I don't think I have any other work to do when I wake up. Like something that will drive me to wake up. You know, these days I'll sleep till 9 hours because I plan to sleep till 9 hours. See, the thing is, before I used to like get really late readying. Like from 5 to 6 I used to get ready, but now I can do it in half an hour. So I'm like, why like wake up early and everything? I'll just sleep another half an hour so that I can gain more muscle, I can recover better. 9 hours of sleep is good. So that's why I also won't feel tired on evenings too, or give myself an excuse to feel tired. So the thing is, I had to set myself a big goal. Not a big, I mean, I already have a big goal, but the thing is, when I'm not doing it, what I'm supposed to do is like something like either solve DP or solve DP problems or solve graph problems, do any kind of solving or something like that. Or I'm thinking of learning SQL too, because I don't know SQL at all. I had to learn SQL. So any of these two, I'm supposed to put a big goal for myself so that whenever I wake up, I have something and I have to plan that thing out. See, one thing I'll do is from now on, every week I'm going to plan. This is going to be my big goal, which I'm supposed to complete by this week, which I will do. Okay, and if I didn't do, I'll record it on camera and like I didn't do it. I'm a pussy. I don't know how to say it. I'm a bitch. Okay, if I didn't do it, so I will do it. But tomorrow I anyways have to go. But I'll still do it. Tomorrow I'll see what we can do, because there's not a lot of other things that I can do, right? Projects I've done it and everything I've done it. The only thing is I'm thinking of mostly like the practice thing. I'll put one topic. This topic you complete it. I don't care what you do. By this weekend, since you know you have 2 days for enjoyment, right? So in 5 days or 6 days, finish this thing. Is what I want to do from now on, so that I can get a motivation to get up and do that thing. Because that's done. Another thing is I have supposed to write my letter, right, for my father. I'm supposed to write the letter for my father so that I can like read it out to him. I still didn't write it. That's so, I mean, I don't like this thing. I'm not like working properly. I'm supposed to up my game up. The reason I'm recording all of this is because to record it, like, so that I can't like run away from my work and everything. I had to face them. Like if I didn't do it, I had to come on camera and tell you like I didn't do it. I didn't do these things. I'm supposed to write this letter. I didn't write it, let alone read it. First I'm supposed to write it right. So I'm supposed to write that thing and give it to him, because it's my responsibility. I actually planned that thing last Sunday and I still didn't do it. It shows like the one thing is, the first thing is like that goal thing. That goal I'm supposed to like fulfill that thing. Yeah. And another thing I'm thinking of doing is, from now on what I'll do is I will just record a video in the morning where I'll tell you the things I'm supposed to do for that day. In the night time, I will record a bunch of I will again record a video which tells me, okay, what did I do? Okay, so the morning will be the goals I'm supposed to be achieving. Night time will be, did I do it or not? So that I can hold myself accountable. Okay, and tell you anything, any mistakes I made, any lessons I've learned, anything I acquired, any event that happened, any problem that I faced in doing this thing, or anything fun that happened, and everything. That is the point of this channel, completely, right? So that's what I'm thinking. Anyways, I mean, I had to keep doing the work. But the one thing is I'm happy about the date part, because see, the thing is I didn't do any fun activities for a long time. Since I come here, they're not. I have friends, but I told you right, I want to make friends or new friends, and that was hard. So when I came here, I didn't do a lot of fun shit for a long time. Fun stuff I didn't do it. Now it's fun to go out with a girl and everything. So it's good. Let's see what will happen. I don't have any. I don't want to get my hopes too high, so that breaks down. Let's keep it normal. Let's focus on this. What do you say? The two things is, first I'll plan out my weeks, what I'm supposed to do. The second is I will record the morning and the nighttime video so that I can hold myself accountable and tell you how the path of my journey goes each day. Yeah, and I have to finish the letter too. That's it. Yeah, so that's it. Anything else that happened? Nothing else happened. Not an interesting life. I mean, if I keep looking at reels and everything, then obviously I won't have an interesting life. I didn't do it, but what I'm saying is, if I don't do work, then I won't have an interesting video to record, right? So in a way that also affects this YouTube channel, because if I don't do anything exciting, not exciting, challenging or fun or anything, if in my day, imagine if all I do is sit down, just scroll through reels, what will I do? I'll record in there, hi guys, actually I will be watching reels today. Done. Again, night time, hi guys, I watched a lot of reels, bye. There won't be anything left to say. So the only way to do it is make my life more interesting, right? Do more stuff. So that when I record this thing, I'm like, okay, today what I'm going to do is I'm going to absolve this contest completely. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to this park or somewhere, and I'm going to socialize with people. And then I'm going to go to this date, and I'm going to come back, and then I'm going to do this thing, and we're going to go to the gym and everything. It will be an interesting thing. Like when I record this thing, I'm like, I will do this. And by the end of the night, I'll be like, okay, I did this. And these are the problems I faced. Okay, actually what happened was, when I absolved the contest, it took me a lot of time. So I'm supposed to manage that thing. When I wrote, when I went and socialized with people, there are not a lot of people here, so I had to look at that thing too. In the date, I had this, I did this, I fucked this up like this, and now she hates me. So that's fun. That thing is fun. So that's what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, so I won't drag the video anymore. We'll see tomorrow morning what I'll record, or whether I'll record it or not. Tomorrow may be an exception. Tomorrow and day after tomorrow. From Monday on, I'll do it. Okay. So that's it. Yeah. Okay. No outro again. Just I'll say bye. Bye.